Welcome back, guys. Today we're in Florida with Officer Pocket Patrol, who's about to have a very long afternoon thanks to this cigarette philosopher. It starts as a simple littering situation, the kind that normally ends with a quick ticket and everyone goes home. Instead, our man decides this is the hill he's willing to legally misunderstand himself on. You'll notice the confidence level is extremely high, despite the stakes being a cigarette butt. Stick around, because this somehow escalates into threats, lawsuits, and a surprisingly predictable ride to jail. And yes, the moment where he realizes none of this is working, it's coming.
ID right now, and then you can pick that up or you can get a ticket. ID. Do you think I'm playing around?
You can arrest me.
Yeah, I can. Give me your ID.
You can't arrest me.
Bro, I need your ID right now. Okay? ID right now. ID
Why did
right
you
now.
just take that out of my mouth?
Listen to me. I need your ID. I'm not playing with you. Do I look like I'm playing? Please give me your ID.
Why did you just take that out of my mouth?
Please give me your ID right now.
Is it a law against smoking?
It's a law against throwing your cigarette butt out lit.
It's a law against...
Yeah, it's called littering.
Why I'm supposed to throw it?
You're supposed to put it out and then put it in your
I
pocket.
just did. Put it in my pocket?
Yeah, put it in your pocket. What's his ID? You see, got one? I need a name now.
Wait.
Wait. I
Let's
need
stop.
a name now.
Wait. Let's stop. Let's calm down.
No,
Let's go.
I'm not. Now I'm done. I asked you nicely multiple times.
No,
Give me an ID.
No, you didn't.
Give me
Let's
your
go
ID
over.
or we'll
I don't
go
have
right
my
in that
ID
car.
on him.
Then you better give me a name. And then I'm going to write you a ticket for littering.
Okay, write me a ticket.
I need your name.
Write me a ticket.
Bro, I'm going to put you in handcuffs here in a minute for obstruction.
No, you said you was gonna write me a ticket.
Are you not listening to me?
You just said you gonna write me a ticket.
Tell me your name.
Write me a ticket.
Tell me, I need your name to write that ticket.
Oh, we've reached the lawsuit phase already. That was quick. The cigarette philosopher is promising to come for the jacket, which I assume is legal terminology learned somewhere deeply unreliable. Fun fact, threatening to sue doesn't stop an arrest. It just gives officers something to chuckle about later. Officer Pocket Patrol, meanwhile, completely unfazed. Professional calm. You can almost hear the internal countdown beginning.
Write me a ticket so I can take it to court, and you're gonna lose that.
You want to just go to jail then?
You can't take me to jail.
Yes, you just committed an offense in front of me.
Then I'm gonna sue you. I'm gonna come for your
That's
jacket.
fine. All right.
I'm gonna come for your jacket.
How about if you give me a name?
I'm gonna come for your jacket.
Okay.
You arrest
I'll be
me,
right back.
I'm gonna come for your jacket. Can I have my cigarette back, please?
No, cannot.
It's a law against
Hey, Matt.
smoking cigarettes. It's a law against smoking cigarettes?
No, it's a
Okay, then, so give me my
cigarette.
cigarette.
He doesn't want to give me ID or a name, and he just threw a cigarette out on the ground after being told that he can't.
Ma'am.
Hey, man.
I know my laws. Always delivered with confidence, rarely with accuracy. Refusing to identify yourself during a lawful detention can lead to obstruction charges in many jurisdictions, including Florida. 2 sentences, that's all we need. The cigarette philosopher thinks he's winning the argument, but this is the part where the paperwork quietly starts stacking up. Officer Pocket Patrol still patient, but the patience meter is not infinite.
Sir. I know my laws.
Yeah, good. You're going to go to jail
There
then.
is no law against smoking cigarettes.
No, there isn't.
So
But there
give
is
me my
against littering.
cigarette. You just violated my rights.
Did I?
By taking my cigarette out of my mouth.
Okay. That's fine.
Do you not know that?
Yeah.
Is
You
your
knew
body
the
camera
law.
on?
It sure is.
It is?
Yep.
You
It's
sure?
been on.
I don't see a red light.
Is it right there?
I don't see a red light.
Okay. I don't really care.
Hey,
Matt.
Can you come here?
Yeah.
Can you come here?
Put your hands behind your back.
Well, for what?
Put your hands behind your back.
Can you come here? All right.
So he won't identify himself, and he just flicked the cigarette after I told him not to do so.
Yeah.
And now he refuses to ID himself. Going back to my car.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
I'll be right back.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
That's
Yeah, I'm
where we're
coming for
going,
that
man.
jacket. I'm coming for that jacket.
Okay.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
You got anything on you that you have
Don't
anything
ask
on
me no
you?
questions.
You have anything on you
Stop.
that's
Stop.
gonna hurt me?
Stop doing that.
You got
Stop
any drugs
doing
on you?
Stop doing that. I am walking. What do you mean just walk? I am walking. Yeah. No, I cannot consent to no search.
I don't care.
Is your body search on?
Yeah.
Is your body camera on?
It sure is.
Is your body camera on?
Absolutely.
I do not consent to no search.
You don't have to
If they're
consent.
searching me.
Now we get the classic "I do not consent" line, which is fine. You're allowed to say that, but it doesn't undo an arrest already in motion. Consent matters for searches, not for whether the cuffs are going on. The cigarette philosopher is speaking like he's narrating his own courtroom victory while being gently guided toward the patrol car. Officer Pocket Patrol still calm, still methodical. This is heading exactly where we all knew it would.
You don't have to
They're searching
consent.
me for no reason. They arresting me.
Yeah, you're getting arrested. Here, I'll switch sides with you.
Man, let's go.
No, you're not going in the car, my friend.
Just
Not yet.
in the car. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. Hell yeah. What's your name?
Oh, look, you got ID.
What's your name? Don't you dare search my car. Don't
Bro.
you dare search my wallet.
You go ahead and jump back.
Don't you dare search my wallet.
I'm gonna search your wallet.
No, you're not.
Well,
Cause I'ma sue your ass.
okay. You can.
What's your name? What's your name? What is your name? What is your name? As a law-abiding citizen, I'm asking you, what is your name?
You had the chance to.
As a law-abiding citizen, I'm asking you your name. Sir, I'm asking you your name.
Hey, listen. You got anything on you that's gonna?
I'm asking you your name.
All right. Hop on in.
What is your name?
It's Sergeant Kintai. Get in the car.
All right. Your body camera on, right?
It is.
All right, bet.
There's one in here too.
Let's get it. Let's get it. Unlawful. Don't you dare strap me up. I'm gonna unbuckle that shit.
If you do, I'm gonna charge you with another charge.
Let's go.
Okay.
You said a ticket, but you arrested me.
Because you won't
You said
identify
a
yourself.
ticket.
What just happened? He littered and he wouldn't identify himself. I don't know. Probably because he's been drinking.
Oh my, can you,
Here's your license back.
thank you. Can you just give him a chance?
Is there any way I can take, like, can I take the fine for what he did and just bring it back to his clients?
Well, he made a poor choice. Is what he did.
What's gonna happen to him?
I'll explain.
Tell his baby mama.
I'll explain it to you in just a second, all right? Let me explain this first of all.
Can you take this back because I don't smoke cigarettes, please?
You can dispose of it later.
That's for his.
Ow. I'm
Here,
sorry. Can you
I'll
take
put
this
it back in here. I don't care. I just didn't want it on the ground.
What am I supposed to?
I'll explain everything to you in just a second, okay? Let me explain this first of all. All right, first and foremost, I had you 100 on radar and I was following you faster than that, okay? If I were to write you a full speeding ticket for all that, it would be mandatory court date. You have to go stand in front of a judge in Sarasota County, okay? So what I did is I wrote you for 99 miles an hour. That way you don't have to go to court, okay? Your fine amount is right here. I'm going to circle it and I'll explain it in just a second. I'm also issuing a citation for not changing the address on your license. You told me you moved 3 times, and most recently was 2 months ago. It's probably why your registration hasn't caught up to you as well, because you're not updating your license. Do me a favor, turn that over and read the very back of it. At the bottom. 30 days. Anytime you move, I'm going to get to that in a second, okay? You could have a more serious one as well, all right?
You good with him?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm writing you 2 warnings, okay? I'm writing you a warning for not having proof of insurance in the vehicle, all right? I'll take you at your word for having proof of insurance, but just not present with you, okay? That would be a $116 ticket if I were to write it, okay?
Where are you supposed to go to pick this?
That's a warning. Yeah, I need you to follow what I'm telling you, okay, so you can understand it. That is a warning for not having proof of insurance. I'll explain your whole buddy thing here in just a second, but this is about your traffic stop, okay? That's a warning for not having proof of insurance in the vehicle. This is a warning for not changing the address on your registration as well. That is actually a criminal offense, okay? You could be arrested for that. You don't want that to happen, right? Okay. You gotta take care of business with your car and your license. You gotta go down to the DMV, get your license changed over to reflect your true and correct address on both your license and on your registration, okay? All right, back to the original, okay? This is your speeding citation right here. And And this is your citation for not changing the address on your license, okay? The fine amounts are circled on both. The speeding citation is a moving violation, okay? This is an information sheet. Everything on here is the same thing that's on the back of your citation, but this is easier to understand, okay? Your fine amount right now is this amount right here, okay? $281. If you take traffic school, have you been to traffic school for any tickets? How long ago? More than a year? 6, 7 months ago. You can only go once a year, so it's important for you to find out when you went, okay? If it's been more than a year, then you can take traffic school again, but you can only take it once a year and 5 times in your life. Alright? So you need to find out when you took it last. Regardless, you got 30 days to take care of these, okay? This is an information sheet. There are 3 options on the back. They're all highlighted. So, your buddy, I don't know if it's because he's been drinking, but the officer told him not to throw his cigarette out, and he did it anyway.
Why the fuck did he even step outside in the first place?
Probably because he's been drinking. The average person probably wouldn't have done that. Would you agree?
Yes.
And the person who's been drinking or hasn't been drinking probably wouldn't have done that. But he did. So he stepped out. He told him not to throw his cigarette out, and went just like that, flicked it out, and then he refused to identify himself.
And here's the part that always surprises them. It wasn't really about the cigarette anymore. It was the refusal to identify. Obstruction is the add-on nobody expects, but everybody earns. Notice how the situation could have ended minutes earlier with a minor citation. Instead, we've upgraded to a trip to jail and bonding discussion. The cigarette philosopher's still convinced he's about to get paid, which I admire the optimism.
He could have got a citation for littering, and you guys would be on your way. And then he refused to identify himself. So that's called obstruction. So it's a misdemeanor, it's a basic charge. He's going to be going to Sarasota County Jail, and it's a misdemeanor. It's a minor misdemeanor, so you'll probably be able to, I'm guessing, bond out with a $150 fine, most likely.
Yeah, what you arresting me for?
It is
Okay, so what you arresting me for?
obstruction
Obstruction of what?
of justice.
Obstruction of what? Oh, you can't answer. Obstruction of what? Exactly. Like I said, I'm finna get paid today. Oh yeah. Oh hell yeah. Oh yeah. I'm finna get paid. I'm finna get paid. I'm gonna sue your ass. Oh, what county are you working out of? What county? What county? So your insurance can come for your jacket. Your insurance gonna talk to you and say, "Hey, mister, why the fuck is he suing us?" Oh, he sued us because what? And you know what they gonna ask for? Your body camera footage. Let's get it. Let's go. You think, yeah, you arresting me for no reason? Let's get it. Let's get it.
Still live on the street in Punta Gorda?
Hey, shut up. Shut up. Freedom of speech. Shut the fuck up. Don't ask me no motherfucking questions. You did an unlawful search. I'm finna sue your ass. I'm finna sue the fuck out
So
of you.
you don't want to answer.
Man,
Is that what you're
I'm finna
telling?
sue the fuck out of you, bro.
All right, cool. That's fine.
Keep doing what
I'm doing.
you're doing.
We're going straight to the jail. That's what we're doing.
All right, let's see how long I stay there. Let's see how long I stay there.
It
What's
really
your
doesn't
name?
matter to me.
I'm asking your name.
I already told you multiple
What
times.
is your name?
It'll be on your citation. I already told you.
What is your name? It's on your body camera footage, and you said it's on your camera footage. What is your name? So he refusing to say his name.
1-4 D. David J. Johnson, Queen
as
Sam, 1-4
a-
DJQF on the Black Ford.
As a public servant, he's refusing to say his name. What is your name? What is your name? As a public servant, this man is refusing to say his name. No, don't get off the car. Stay in the car. Come on. Let's go. You want to go to war? Let's go. Hey, you giving me a payday. I don't give a fuck. You giving me a payday.
North 43, Edward
You giving me
11,
a payday.
74.
I'm I'm gonna sue the shit out of you.
He ends up charged with obstruction, a misdemeanor, all stemming from a cigarette and a refusal to give his name, which, as it turns out, is what happens when courtroom theories meet roadside reality. The lawsuit predictions continue, but historically, those don't age particularly well. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this one, drop a like, share it with someone who thinks arguing improves outcomes, and subscribe for more. See you in the next one.